how to change payment method on Netflix. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change or remove a payment method from your Netflix account. So if you want to remove a card or change which credit card or payment method such as PayPal is being charged for your Netflix account, in this video, I'll show you how to do that. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. And while I'll be doing this in the desktop, the method will be very similar on a phone. You can also check the description and I'll have a tutorial for your mobile phone down there. So to get started, open up a browser, navigate to netflix.com, and then log into your account. Once you get logged in, go to the top right, select the little drop-down arrow, and then go down and select Account. From here, select Manage Membership, and then scroll down and you'll see Manage Payment Method. So on this screen here, you'll see your current payment method, the one that says Preferred. You can add a new payment method by selecting Change Payment Method. If you go in here, you can add PayPal or a credit or debit card, as well as redeem a gift card, something like that. Additionally, if you already have a secondary payment method added to your account, you can make that your preferred by selecting the three dots to the right of it and selecting Make Preferred. You can also remove any payment method by selecting the three dots and selecting Remove. So once you've made your changes, you're then done. You have now changed your payment method on Netflix. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.